Ace your NCLEX, Infection Control Simplified. Contact, Droplet, Airborne. For NCLEX and nursing students, hey future nurses, let's make infection control super simple. We are breaking down the 3 types of transmission-based precautions you need to know for the NCLEX: contact, droplet, and airborne. Let's go. Contact precautions. Use contact precautions when germs spread through direct touch, like hands or even touching a contaminated surface. So, what do you wear? Gloves, gown. Before entering the room and remove them before leaving. The patient should be in a private room if possible. And always disinfect shared equipment. Common contact infections: C. diff, MRSA, VRE, scabies, RSV. Easy memory trick. Can my sister really cook? C. diff, MRSA, scabies, RSV, contact. Droplet precautions. Now let's talk about droplet precautions for germs that spread by big respiratory droplets, like from a cough or sneeze. These droplets fall fast, usually within 3 feet. You'll need a surgical mask. Wear gloves and gown if you're handling secretions or fluids. The patient should be in a private room and wear a mask if they leave. Common droplet infections: flu, mumps, rubella, pertussis, meningitis, RSV. Trick to remember: Spiderman, strep, pertussis, influenza, diphtheria, epiglottitis, rubella, mumps, adenovirus. Airborne precautions. Now for airborne precautions, for infections that spread through tiny particles that float in the air and travel far. You must wear an N95 respirator mask, fitted and sealed. Use gloves, gown, and eye protection if needed. Patients go in a negative pressure room, with the door closed at all times. Common airborne infections: TB, measles, chickenpox, shingles, if widespread. Trick to remember: My chicken has TB. Measles, chickenpox, herpes zoster, TB. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more easy to understand nursing content. We've got more videos coming your way, from NCLEX tips to clinical skills and everything in between. Hit that bell so you never miss a lesson. Thanks for watching, future nurses. You've got this.